Today's story is going to be about the bird that loved to read. The bird read a book about plane on a journey, worm on the run. Why, monkey, why? Shark versus owl. Flowers that grow. Learn how to cook. And alien abduction. I love to read, it's so much fun. Books are for everyone. Don't wanna grow up and be dumb. Books are for everyone. Hey, listen what I have to say. I wonder what book I'm gonna read today. Bird read 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200 books in an hour? You crazy bird! It had to come down to this. The bird read every book there was to read. He said, well, I read every book. What to do now? Ooh, teleport into your favorite book? Why not? There's nothing else for me here. Boom! Worms that sing. Worms that sing. That's the book he chose. But now the bird is trapped in the book forever. But singing in harmony, eh? La 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 la.
They am. Lamb.
Yeah.
It's the AM.